Just when Yi-jae and Soo-bin finally got back together, her ex returned. Soo-bin became insanely jealous, and a shocking family secret threatened to change everything. Dream to You, Episode 7-9, Yi-jae and Soo-bin continue working separately, but still struggle to hide their feelings for each other. When Soo-bin learns that Yu-geon needs help with his acting career, he agrees to a deal with Soo-hee, who threatens to withdraw her investment unless Yu-geon gets the lead role. Although Soo-bin keeps the deal secret from Yi-jae, Yu-geon eventually tells her the truth. Meanwhile, Ha-na decides to break free from her controlling mother and asks Yi-jae for a chance to audition for the movie. Impressed by her determination and connection to the character, Soo-bin casts her as the female lead opposite Yu-geon. As the cast prepares for the first script reading, Yu-geon and Ha-na pretend to put their differences aside and promise to give their best for the movie, despite their complicated feelings. Later, Yi-jae and Soo-bin discuss their characters' romance and finally confront their own feelings. Yi-jae admits that she loved Soo-bin in the past and still loves him, while also acknowledging that his deal with Soo-hee was his way of protecting her dream. They finally give in to their feelings and share a passionate kiss. The next day, Yi-jae visits the film set and realizes that her dream of becoming a director is finally becoming a reality. Soo-bin and Yi-jae finally begin working together on their movie, but their progress is threatened when Soo-hee pulls Yu-geon from the project to pressure Ha-na into renewing her contract. Ha-na eventually agrees to protect Yu-geon, while the public becomes curious about their new movie. Meanwhile, a shocking family secret is revealed. Soo-hee is actually Soo-bin's biological mother and Ha-na's mother, making Soo-bin and Ha-na half-siblings. Soo-bin opens up to Yi-jae about the pain of discovering the truth as a child, and Yi-jae assures him that she has forgiven the past. Their relationship becomes even closer as they spend the night together. The romantic chaos continues as Soo-bin becomes jealous after learning about Yi-jae's past relationship, while Yu-geon finally admits his feelings for Ha-na after getting drunk and apologizing for pushing her away. Sa-rang also realizes that she has genuine feelings for In-wook after their second night together. Meanwhile, the film welcomes famous actor Seung-moo for a supporting role, but Yi-jae is shocked to see him because he is her ex-boyfriend. At the end of the episode, Seung-moo saves Yi-jae from an accident, leaving Soo-bin visibly jealous as he watches them together. Seung-moo's return makes Soo-bin increasingly jealous as he openly tries to win Yi-jae back with gifts, memories, and romantic gestures. Soo-bin eventually admits his jealousy and asks Yi-jae to understand him, while she reassures him that she still chooses him. Meanwhile, Ha-na and Yu-geon struggle with their growing feelings during their first kissing scene, and Sa-rang breaks up with In-wook after feeling guilty about hurting another woman on the dating show. The film crew then heads to a glamping retreat, where Soo-bin and Seung-moo become increasingly competitive over Yi-jae. During the retreat, Seung-moo asks Yi-jae if their reunion could be a second chance, but she firmly confesses that she loves Soo-bin. This gives Soo-bin the courage to set boundaries with Seung-moo and defend their relationship. However, the happy moment is short-lived when reporters storm the filming set and expose the truth about Soo-bin's biological mother, shocking Ha-na when she discovers that Soo-bin is actually her half-brother. Meanwhile, Yu-geon continues pushing Ha-na away despite their feelings, while Sa-rang struggles with the consequences of her complicated relationship with In-wook.